I've been here for an hour, man. I'm still here, man. Oh, he wildin' now, bro. I done been here for a minute, bro. And I got quiet as hell in this motherfucker. He tripping now, gang. All right, man. We just walked outside of this motherfucker, man. I am out here struggling. Ooh, look at that. That be clean. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Here. Got the new carbon parts in there, man. You feel me? Leaving a mechanic. Got OEM parts, and then we got the new shift knob. This ain't the G37 shift knob. So of course, man, I got the wrong part, man. This knob is like it doesn't have the middle part in it, bro. It's just clear, bro. He just sent me the wrong knob, bro. That is not the shift knobs. The paddle shifters are good. Paddle shifters are OEM, cool. But this is bro. That is not OEM. That looks tacky. We're not with that, and that is his fault. I sent him the other one, bro. And when he sent me both of these. And was like, which one do you want? I said OEM. That means original manufacturer. No G37 comes with a. All right. So I just got off the phone with my lawyer. He just called me. So he normally doesn't call. I normally have to call him, but he called me. So yeah, this is serious, man. Cause this is coming to a what the fuck's wrong, man? Stop those lights from flashing. But yeah, man. Yeah, dog. My lawyer called me. He's like explaining everything to me, making sure we got all of our documents ready for this, and telling me what time to be there, man. But hopefully this should get dropped, bro, because they could literally take my license tomorrow if they want to. They feel like it. But I feel like with my case, and I haven't got a ticket in about over a year now, if not, yeah, a year or over a year. So I feel like they should let me go just with dropping it down, bro, instead of trying to take my license. So hopefully it goes good. We're getting a haircut right at the time. And then yeah, man. Yeah. We're gonna get that hand up. And then hopefully that's all if tomorrow it should be a decision. He said we've been prolonging it for so long, it should be a decision tomorrow. So yeah, man, let's hope that looks good. Whew. All right, man, we on the way to court. You dig? I got that pink shirt, khaki combo, man. I don't switch that shit up. I don't really dress up like that. But yeah, man, it's gonna be my first time in court. So yeah, bro, that shit is loud as fuck. So yeah, that shit gonna be weird. I don't know what to think, but I'm meeting my lawyer. I'm lawyered up. I'm cool with my lawyer, so I feel good once I be with him. But just having these folk judge me, man, just feel weird to me, man. But we on the way to get our haircut now. Look, it was just a cop, state trooper charger sitting on the side of the highway. But I seen him before I was gonna speed up. But I've been doing the speed limit. Like, I ain't been going over 80 for real, but I had sped up to get in the fast lane, like right. You know what I'm saying? And I probably hit like 90, maybe not even that though. But yeah, man, I had slowed back down there. You feel me? It was another car right on my ass though, going the same. We was going like 85, 87, and we slowed down once I got them in my view. But man, them boys is out, man. You gotta be on your P's and Q's out this motherfucker, man. But yeah, we on the way for the same shit, getting pulled over. So hopefully my charges get dropped. Or I want anything except for getting my license taken. They had me fucked up. They talk about we're suspending your license for 6 months. So I'm gonna pray before I go in there, man. And yeah, hopefully that shit go good, bro. 'Cause I don't need no bullshit happening, man. You feel me? Yeah, we done got the cut. You feel me? Got plenty of time to get to court. I think I'm gonna get some food before. I got the cup. Definitely. Whew. Motherfucker clean though. You did. All right, man. We're at Bojangles. We 8 minutes away from the court. You did? So yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and handle this shit, man. You did.
I long for all of you with the affection of Christ Jesus. And this is my prayer, that your love may abound more and more in knowledge and depth of it.
Man, I've been here for an hour, man. I'm still here, man. My lawyer just came to me. He talking about some goddamn. He talking about some goddamn. He gonna have to continue it because he was like, I gotta make sure your record. Because I told him Michael Parrish already got a prayer for judgment. He already gave me a prayer for judgment on it. Because that's the man he's 17. He was like, yeah, you can only get one of those every 3 years without getting no insurance points and license points. But he said if you get another one, you can still get the insurance points. Y'all know my insurance already at a motherfucker $638 a month. So I couldn't get another one. So he said, yeah, we just gonna continue it again. So it is what it is, man. I don't know if I even had to go to court for real. Shit crazy. Wildin' now, bro. I done been here for a minute, bro. I got quiet as hell on this motherfucker, bro. He tripping now, gang. I ain't fucking with this shit, player. Hell no, boy. Tripping. All right, man, we getting out of here, man. We got one of the cases dropped. And another one pushed to January 29th. So that's it, man. Damn, all right, man, we just walked outside of this motherfucker, man. You dig? So one of them got dropped. That's great. It's cold as fuck. I did not bring a jacket. Nigga, I am freezing. Man, I've been there for 3 hours. It's 5 o'clock. Man, which way I came from? Let me look at the map real quick. I am out here struggling. Ooh, what the fuck is that? That big clean. I am out here struggling, man. We in the city of this shit, dog. Oh shit, I am freezing. I want to make this a fucking sweat, bro. I ain't gonna goddamn. I think this shit right here. Fuck that shit. Oh shit. Fuck that. It is freezing out here, bro. Oh, here we go. There we go, nigga. Oh shit. And we finna do a point of view drive, no bat. Ooh. Oh my god. No AC, nigga. Fuck no. Yeah, man, we back at the crib with it. It is. Oh. What the fuck is this? Chocolates, but you know what I'm saying? I ain't drunk in a long time, bro. So some of y'all want to be on my dick about this, get off it, dog. Because I don't even drink. But we finna take a couple shots a bit. No cap, man. You feel me? Got a dismissal. And that's very good. That's a good thing, man. So we're gonna take a little shot. You feel me? Take a shot, motherfucker, real quick, man. Oh, I gotta get that motherfucker open. Bitch, I ain't gonna sit there and play with it now. None of that shit just ripped that shit out like a bitch this time, though. Shit rip off in pieces and shit, man. That meat. Ooh. Boy, I ain't smelled that taste in a minute, boy. Oh, yeah, that's a good shot right there. Yeah, let me go ahead and get some juice poured up. They just gonna leave us in the hood right there. I remember a time when I was fucked up. I ain't see nobody but my dad. Court day more important than our birthday. Court day more important than our birthday. Court day more important than that B-Day. On that court day, they took your heart just like holiday. My nigga, ma, take me to the bar like Creed. In the hood, they just calling it. Hood nigga, what me up and make it hard. Let breathe. I ain't like drinking like that, bro. Oh, I got that strawberry lemonade. You know, I keep that player. Now we finna down this shit. I ain't gonna play with it. I'm gonna get a test sip to Chase. Ooh, and I got Bojangles in the whip. I got finna bust that down as soon as I get drunk. All right, bet. Hey, man. Shout out to day one, man. To the grind, man. We finna look. I'll probably do some videos called like the grind before Christmas type shit where I'm just going hard trying to work OT, whatever the case. This shit coming though. Dead. Ooh. I don't need chasing for no Casamigo, nigga. I forgot I'm slimy for real. Shit, I be the one I don't need no chaser. Shit. I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna wait a little bit. So that's why I don't fuck with drinking. That shit be burning the hell out your stomach and shit. There's some good ass lemonade though. I'll see it though, man. I don't know. We don't got no shot glasses in here, so I'm just using little ketchup containers and shit. Yeah.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be where you want to be. You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers and say, that's the bad guy. So, will I make you good?
No. Fuck no, man.
You're not good.
Pussy ass niggas.
You just know how to hide.
Gang.
How to lie.
Don't slide though. You feel me?
I don't have that problem.
I'll make this an intro on one of my videos.
I always tell the truth,
Because
even when I lie.
I just feel this scene so much, bro. This shit bigger than people think. Like, this nigga a legend, man.
So say good night to the bad guy. Come on. The last time you're gonna see a bad guy like this again, let me tell you. Come on. Say hello to the bad guy.
But he had to pay, buddy. He like, oh man, Tony got in here a while. Yeah, y'all see this shit, man. Carbon on my shit, bro. That shit hard as hell. Come on, man. Come on, man. And this shit feels so good. Yeah, why I rub it like that? That bit feels smooth as hell, though. No cap. You know we in here grinding, man. Finna go on YouTube, do a little trick to make my short better. You feel me? I'm about to hop on that P5. Just turn that bitch on. I don't know about that. Just gotta be right behind me. Here we go. What you say? We back on that GTA shit, man. You dig? You feel me? Back on the GTA shit. I might bring some GTA clips. Oh shit, let me get in this. I just smoked the nigga. He gonna try to come kill me. We go ahead and get in that motherfucker, man. I just smoked this bitch ass dog. Yeah, I might bring some clips into the vlogs. I don't know. So I said when I was putting them in my road to apartment shit, I was fucking with it. I was like, whoa, more GTA clips. Yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. But this nigga out here, it's dark as hell. This nigga out here checking out a car to buy. That nigga should have did it in the daytime, eh? Okay, he was just had a light on, checking the engine bay, but that's my dad's friend truck. They be having parked out here. They be doing business together. That nigga checking out the truck at night, though. Nigga, you can't even see the paint job, nigga. His ass can't even see the paint job. He bullshitting for real. He got light on his head. Look at him. There you go. That light on his head. There you go. Let's see if he gonna cop that bitch, though. Imagine he fuck around, pull off in that motherfucker. I don't know who this is. That light on his head, though. That nigga ain't playing. He checking that motherfucker out. It did. Y'all know we done got a video out today, though, man. Been like 9 days. I got a short out, too. We're gonna edit a vlog before we go to sleep and shit, you did. I don't know why the fuck I'm sitting on the phone. I got some lotion on my hands. I'm rubbing in. That's what I'm gonna do, but you know, point of recording myself doing that shit. I took a few shots, though. Nigga drunk, bitch. I ain't hungry, though. I ain't been smoking lately. I ain't smoked in like 2 days, so I ain't been hungry. So, I barely ate today. don't think I barely ate yesterday too. I'm still not hungry. Shit crazy. You know I got that pole over there. Make sure buddy ass keep his cool. You did. My dad, he don't fuck with guns, so he ain't got no protection out there. Trying to make sure my shit ain't got no glare. I know my shit was fucking up yesterday. Or today. Yeah, man, just got off the phone with Damon. My dog, man. Get my other phone. So I'll be able to like drive with YouTube. Why is my phone dirty? My camera been tweaking lately. I ain't gonna. Yeah, that glare. That's not normal. That little glare. Hold on, bro. I fixed that shit. See what I'm saying? It ain't supposed to have no glare. See how I don't got no glare no more? And cause my shit keep getting dirty. I don't know how the fuck though. I think it's cause I keep putting this aquifer on. Yeah, my hands. I let them get dry. And I got like what's that shit called? Where you like when you like a drop problem. It's something that is called. What is it called? Damn. I'm gonna type it. You know how I put the type it, so I'm gonna type that bitch. I'm gonna end up looking it up when I'm editing the video. Like, damn, what is that shit called? But yeah, my hands, I let it get dry. Because once I put lotion on it and I keep lotion on it, they be regular, like beautiful hands. But once I got them, go like a couple days, few days that I put lotion on, my shit gonna dry up like a motherfucker. So, and then I gotta put the aquifer on it to heal it. Because lotion won't even heal it. That shit get bad, but yeah. Y'all see I'm chilling, man. This was cheap from like Temu or Amazon or something. I don't think it's from Amazon, but either Wish or Temu. But this shit like that though. Y'all see how it look though? That shit look smooth. I like that shit in my room. That's why I should turn on the movie though. You know I got these shots that been busting down. You know a nigga feeling smooth, man. It is. Good morning. I'm gonna go get some motherfucking breakfast to eat. That. Yeah, y'all see it's my trim. Just throw the slides on. Bo James already got the keys off of here. You did. Go get some food. I was recording. But yeah, man, busting down this Bojangles, you did. I was saying my goddamn battery start my car hella slow. That bit like barely started up when I just got in that bitch this morning. That bitch said and then it started up. So that battery's struggling. Cause somebody told me when it's cold, batteries get to malfunction and shit. But I do got a weak battery, so yeah, I'm gonna have to buy a shorter one like in a week or so. Hopefully it don't fuck up on me before that. We healthy, man. That's a healthy combo right there, man. Yeah, we can get a video out today. It's already done though. Just been sleeping about today, so we'll post it tomorrow. And the warehouse series can follow. And then we're gonna keep doing more point of views and just keep everything circulating.
Many niggas got a gun, we never shot that.